anytime you get a win, too, especially on senior day, it's very emotional. So overall, it was a great day.
Do you think you guys now have kind of got yourself, Coach talked about all week, kind of getting over it, moving on, showing some improvement this week, getting your confidence back. You think you guys did that today?
Oh, yeah. We forgot about Georgia Tech as soon as the game was over. I mean, I feel like we coming into the week, the seniors did a great job making sure the young guys didn't dwell on the last game in the past. So, coming into this week, our mind was focused completely on Georgia State. Somebody had made a comment in the defensive meeting room and saying something talking about the past, and Coach V was just pretty much like, you guys got to be hard on Georgia State, because don't take them for granted, and that's when we don't play at our best and at a high level. And Coach V and the seniors made sure we nipped that in the bud early, so we wasn't on that no more.
The turnovers were good, but the shutout was good, but 3 turnovers today. You guys got to like that a lot.
We should have had more. Yeah, I feel like we should have had more. I know I dropped another one myself. A couple times when they throw a couple go balls, we could have had a safety over the top, or it's always little things that we see that everybody doesn't see. But yeah, we could have had more turnovers. But the 3 was good. It's good to get back on the plus side and win the turnover margin for a game.
Scored a little bit more in the second half.
Gary, you different defense in this building, other than one half against UNC. You guys have been pretty lights out at Memorial Stadium.
It's big when every time we step out on that field and you just lift your hands up and the crowd's just turning up for you and causing hell on other quarterbacks that we're playing against. And I feel like the home atmosphere, it feels so good to come down and Tiger Walk and then walk out on the field and then come to the game and see all these fans at the game cheering for us. That's a big part of it, but I don't think it's nothing pretty much of playing at home. I didn't even know our defense was better at home or on the road. But it's a great feeling when you have those fans behind you.
Do you guys recognize how big turnovers have been during this 5 games straight?
Yeah, it is, because as you look at last week at Georgia Tech, we don't give up those 2 turnovers. We were still in the game in the fourth quarter. We gave up 2 pick sixes. And you can't give up turnovers, especially in a game like South Carolina this week. I'm probably gonna watch them tonight and tomorrow for sure, because we want to get every edge we can to get that ball, get that offense the ball, because they need it.
You guys look at that countdown clock all year long. What's it like now that it's finally here? It's 7 days away.
I can't wait. South Carolina is like a season in itself. You play the regular season, then you play South Carolina, man. You know how we feel about them. You know how they feel about us. We just ready to get it going, and hopefully we come out ready to play on Saturday.
This program ready to put it to bed?
At the what?
Is this program ready to put it to bed?
Oh yeah. We're ready to put it to bed. Yeah, we're tired of people saying how many times they done beat us in a row. What's been going on. And me as a senior, especially, I've never beaten them. I don't want to leave here without beating Carolina. So yeah, we're ready, and we'll make sure the guys get ready this week.
How do you have to mentally prepare? I'm sure a big part is you can't let it get too.
You gotta go harder than you went. Go harder than you went every other week. You gotta get in the film room early, watch film, get little tips and keys that you notice that they do, little tendencies that they like to do, because everybody has their own tendencies, and take it to the field as well. And you know that when you're confident in the film and you know what's coming, then you play better on the field. So I feel like if we do that, we'll be fine out there.
Appreciate it.
What do you work on against?